So I'm Sharon Smith, and I had both of my hips done by Dr. Y.
Her quality of life was very diminished from that, and it was a process we went through to determine whether it was knee pain or hip pain. And I had a lot of empathy and sympathy for her because she was in a lot of pain.
Anything I did, if it wasn't for my husband, I couldn't even get up a curb or anything like that. It was the worst pain I think I've ever had. He has a great bedside manner. He makes you very relaxed. He, at the beginning, I thought, what hope is there for me? But he said, well, it's a 10, but I can fix you, because it was so painful. I didn't know if it could be fixed, His team and his staff, the same thing, they make you feel very relaxed, very friendly. They answer all your questions.
Dr. Y is one of those individuals that is not only outstanding, he strives for excellence every day. And he's one of the best and top doctors in the country when it comes to hip surgery.
And I feel pretty fantastic now because I can walk. Before, I couldn't even get out of the chair without it being excruciating pain.